What if an asteroid the size of the Eiffel Tower was set on a collision course with Earth? Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? Yet, this is the rumor that has been circulating recently, causing quite a stir among the public. The rumor goes that in October 2024, an Eiffel-sized asteroid is predicted to strike Earth, creating a scenario straight out of Hollywood's most thrilling disaster films. The source of these rumors? They've been swirling around social media, gaining traction as they're shared and reshared, and sparking a mix of reactions. Some people are filled with trepidation, others are skeptical, and a few are even planning asteroid parties to watch the impending celestial spectacle. But what if this were to happen? What if an asteroid that size really did collide with our planet? The potential impact is, quite literally, astronomical. An asteroid of such magnitude could cause extensive damage. It could create an explosion upon impact, with the force of 1,000 nuclear bombs, drastically altering the landscape, and possibly leading to a catastrophic loss of life. The dust and debris kicked up into the atmosphere could block out the sun, leading to a nuclear winter scenario. Crops would fail, temperatures would plummet, and life as we know it would drastically change. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? And that's not all. The impact could also trigger earthquakes and tsunamis, causing further devastation. The shock waves could reverberate around the world, causing buildings to collapse even thousands of miles away from the impact site. The suspense and intrigue created by these rumors have made them the talk of the town. They've grabbed headlines, ignited debates, and spurred discussions about space, asteroids, and our planet's vulnerability to celestial threats. But is there any truth to these terrifying rumors? What does NASA, the world's leading authority on space and asteroids, have to say about this? Stay tuned as we delve into NASA's response in the next scene. NASA has responded to these rumors with a combination of science, facts, and reassurance. When the rumors of an Eiffel-sized asteroid hitting Earth in October 2024 started swirling, NASA was quick to address them. Their official response was clear. They have not detected any asteroid on a collision course with Earth in October 2024. But how do they know this? Well, NASA has a sophisticated system for tracking asteroids. They use a combination of ground and space-based telescopes to observe and track near-Earth objects, or NEOs, which include asteroids and comets that come within 28 million miles of Earth's orbit. These observations are then analyzed using state-of-the-art computer models to predict an object's future path and determine whether it poses a threat to our planet. This isn't just done on an ad hoc basis either. NASA operates a dedicated program for this very purpose, known as the Near-Earth Object Observations, or NEO Observations Program. This program not only detects and tracks NEOs, but it also characterizes them and provides the data to other entities for impact hazard assessment and mitigation. But what does this all mean for the rumored asteroid? Simply put, if there was an asteroid the size of the Eiffel Tower heading towards Earth, NASA's NEO Observations Program would likely have spotted it by now. They track over 95% of large asteroids, and they're constantly improving their detection rates for smaller ones. In fact, NASA has a pretty impressive track record when it comes to asteroid detection. In 2023 alone, they embarked on several significant missions related to asteroids, including the OSIRIS-REx mission that delivered samples from the asteroid Bennu to Earth, and the Psyche mission that aims to study a metal-rich asteroid. So according to NASA, there's no need to panic. But how sure are they? NASA's confidence in their response is based on decades of scientific research and advanced technology. But what does that mean exactly? Let's dive into the science behind how NASA keeps an eye on celestial bodies like asteroids. It all starts with detection and tracking. NASA uses an array of both ground and space-based telescopes for this purpose. These observatories scan the skies continually, looking for any moving objects against the backdrop of static stars. When a potential asteroid is spotted, the data is quickly sent to the Minor Planets Center, which is responsible for the designation of newly discovered minor planets, comets, and outer irregular natural satellites of the major planets. But spotting an asteroid is just the beginning. To assess if it poses any threat to Earth, NASA needs to determine its size, shape, rotation, and trajectory. This is where radar technology comes into play. By bouncing radio waves off these space rocks, scientists can glean detailed information about their physical characteristics and their path through space. To calculate the probability of an asteroid impact, NASA uses a statistical method called the Monte Carlo simulation. This involves running thousands or even millions of simulated orbits for the asteroid in question, considering a wide range of variables including gravitational influences, the Yarkovsky effect, and more. By analyzing these simulated orbits, scientists can determine the likelihood of an asteroid crossing paths with Earth. However, it's important to mention that these calculations are not static. As more observations are made and more data is collected, these probabilities can and often do change. This constant refinement of data is a key part of NASA's asteroid monitoring efforts. NASA's advanced technology, combined with the collective knowledge of the scientific community, allows them to track and analyze asteroids with a high degree of accuracy. Their methods may seem complex, but they are rooted in established scientific principles and rigorous mathematical models. With this level of scientific rigor and technological sophistication, NASA's response holds a lot of weight. Let's recap the key points of NASA's response to the asteroid rumor. First and foremost, NASA has not detected any asteroid on a collision course with our planet in October 2024. This is not a simple statement to make. It is backed by rigorous scientific methods and advanced technology that NASA employs to detect, track, and predict the trajectories of celestial bodies in our solar system. The space agency uses a network of ground-based telescopes and space-based observatories to constantly scan the skies for asteroids and comets that could pose a potential threat to our planet. This is a round-the-clock operation, a tireless vigil kept by dedicated scientists and engineers who sift through vast amounts of data to ensure the safety of our home planet. One of the key programs in this endeavor is the Near-Earth Object Observations Program. This program is specifically designed to find, track, and characterize near-Earth objects, asteroids and comets that come within 30 million miles of Earth's orbit. The program uses both NASA's resources and those of its international partners and amateur astronomers to achieve its goals. The science and technology behind these efforts are truly remarkable. From advanced optics to sophisticated computer algorithms, NASA employs a wide range of tools and techniques to monitor the cosmic neighborhood. And let's not forget the role of space missions in this effort. Missions like OSIRIS-REx, which not only bring back invaluable samples from asteroids, but also provide crucial data about these celestial bodies. So, while the idea of an Eiffel-sized asteroid hitting Earth makes for a great sci-fi plot, according to NASA, it remains firmly in the realm of fiction, at least for now.